baby.
Okay. I'm nice baby. I'm nice baby. Are you nice baby?
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. We are both nice baby.
Daddy, don't
Okay.
Want a toy?
Yes.
Why?
Then yes, surprise toy. Then you should finish your food. Do you finish your food?
I finished my food. Did you finish your food?
I'm waiting for my food, Mommy. Where's the bottle, Mommy?
Okay. Are you ready
Yes.
for the surprise toy?
Yeah.
Okay.
One,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
4.
Surprise!
Oh, what is this?
It's nothing.
Yeah, it's a game.
It's a game.
Slime splash.
Oh. Let's open it.
Open it.
Wait.
What should we open?
Oh, it's a tray.
Oh, it's
Oh, so many eggs.
Open it.
Open it.
Open.
Yeah, we are going to make slime
Oh,
and put it in these eggs,
yes.
and then we will start the game. Look, this is the game.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
It's okay,
Oh
right?
yes, it is fun. And we will play like this. Oh, it's like.
Yeah.
This is 2 eggs. Egg and opponent. Miss and go. Tag. Okay, now we have these eggs full of slimes and we are going to play. Okay? The rule is whoever gets the less slime eggs is the winner. Yay! Okay, it's going to be your turn now. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah!
2
Okay.
eggs on Mikael.
Okay, which egg do you want?
Which egg do you want to open?
I put eggs in the eye.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
not
okay.
on the eyes, on your head.
On your head. Okay, tell me which egg.
Okay, which egg?
Touch the egg. Which one? This one? Okay.
What's inside?
Okay. 1,
1, 2, 3. What is that?
Okay,
Okay.
one more egg.
What is that? You're so slimy. You're so slimy now. Okay.
Select more egg. One more egg.
One more egg.
This one?
I do it.
Okay.
Oh, it's a surprise!
Wow.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Okay, it's Daddy's turn now. What does it say? How many?
It's a miss and go. Yay!
Oh, no, Daddy.
It's miss and go.
Okay, so it's Mikael's turn once again.
Move it. Oh,
What does it say?
2 eggs on my head.
Oh, now Mikael will put 2 eggs on Daddy's head. Yay! Daddy's so. Okay, second egg. Which Daddy, which egg do you want?
I want this one.
Okay. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Is it fun? Okay, Mikael, it's your turn now.
Okay, your turn now. Do it. One time, only one time.
What does it say?
One egg.
Okay, now Daddy will put one egg on Mikael's head. Which egg do you want? This one. Let's see what it is.
1, 2, 3.
Mikael is more slimy now.
I did it.
It's okay.
It's my turn now.
It's Daddy's turn now. Daddy will do it, and Mikael will put.
1, 2, 3.
What does it say?
Egg on the opponent.
Oh, Daddy is going to put its egg on the opponent.
Yes, we
So
did.
Daddy is going to put one more egg on Mikael. Let's see what it is.
Surprise.
You look so nice, Mikael. It's nice. Okay, it's your turn now, Mikael.
Okay, it's
Okay,
now
it's your
turn.
turn. Rotate.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let's sing songs when we all go out. We all go
What does it
out.
say?
We all go out. Let's sing songs
What does it say, Daddy?
Egg on opponent.
Oh, yeah! Now Mikael will put egg on Daddy. Yay! Are you ready to put egg on Daddy?
Yeah, I want this egg.
Okay.
Let me help you. Okay, 1.
Daddy is safe. It was sprinkled.
I'm safe. Yeah, look your head.
Okay, Daddy, it's your turn now again. It's Daddy's turn.
1, 2, 3.
What does it
miss and
say?
go.
Oh, miss and go. Okay.
Oh yes, it means 2 eggs.
Daddy is going to put 2 eggs on Mikael. Mikael left with only 1 egg.
One egg.
So Daddy is going to put this egg on Mikael.
1.
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
Oh, it's more slime. Oh, Mikael is so slimy. Let's see who's the winner. Mikael is more wet. And Daddy is less wet.
Yeah.
So Daddy is more dry. Yeah. Mikael is less dry. So Daddy is the winner of this game.
Your head is so slimy. You got more eggs on your head. I'm the winner. Okay, everyone.